Ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody asked me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody.
Hi guys, this video I am going to explain you how to create your own video with your own ideas. So watch the video fully. Let's go. Open your Google Chrome and search for Wondershare Filimora official site and download it for free version. Once complete installation, just open by double click over Wondershare Filimora icon. Here you see the Filimora overall window, sample videos. Here you go for new project. You can choose screen ratio as you like. Here you can change your project settings. You can import your videos or audio using this method. Or just click here. You can import your own audios. Click music for pre-installed music. Here you will find titles, samples, find your best one. As you like, you can use it. Simply just drag and drop in the timeline or just double click. Better you choose Keep Project Settings. Simply move another tracks, align by drag and drop. Trim the video by simple click. Separate audio from video by single click. Adjust the audio sound as you like. Move or remove the audio if it's necessary. Delete the gap, just select and press delete. Change the title text, just double click and edit. Adjust the text size. Change font style. You can use animation too. Also rotate, adjust scale, brightness for the text. Just click OK for apply. You can use pre-installed transition here. Click preview and apply your video. Use pre-installed effect for your video. Use elements for your video. You find lot of collection of your YouTube videos. Use split screen option for making perfect videos. Simple drag and drop your videos. Adjust scale if you need. Finally, export your video. Export option, you can select any one option. Give name and file location before start export. Your video is ready. That's all guys. If you like this tutorial, please give a like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.